What's going on, everyone? It's Paul, the 920 Trader with 920 Trading and Trading Dakota. Today is Monday. It is the 13th day of January 2025, and I've got a couple of live action videos for you. I took a couple of losses early this morning and then made them back. Well, I didn't make anything back. Once the money is gone, folks, it's gone forever. The best you can hope to do is make new money. Okay, so again, the lost money is always lost. You can never really, you're not trying to, if you take the kind of that look that, okay, I'm going to make the money back, then you're much more likely to revenge trade. We don't like to revenge trade. But anyway, took a couple of losses early and then made it back. And you're going to see one of those videos. You're going to see a losing trade video and you're going to see a winning trade video. I got both of those things in there. Let's talk about the day. It was, I hate to say any day is difficult and any day is easy or anything like that, folks. But, kind of for lack of a better term, my execution today felt like it was off, particularly the first couple hours of the day. I took calls right in here. You can see this level right in here. I took calls. I was just jumping this play just a little bit. We made this move over VWAP, pushed up, and then it ran down, and took a small loss there. And I didn't take anything on this next play to the upside, only because it's a big candle. So again, you can see this really, really big candle here. So what do we have? We have 64 through, we have $1.15, $1.20 candle. If you take a position on a candle like that, folks, you are kind of cruising for a bruising. In my opinion, that's going to be the term for the day. You're cruising for a bruising. And again, and because everything was kind of far away from the 9 at that point, I was like, no, just let it go, let it do its thing. Little pullback right here. And then I thought I was going to play this thing back to the upside, and I did play to the upside in here. So this little run right in here, and then it turned on me. I thought we were going to get through this level. Now, this level right here, so this 577.92, that level wasn't here as of yet. What this was, and it might have been just starting to print at that level. So 577.92, let me show you the 30-minute here real quick. That's a 1 hour. So the 30-minute, you can see all this business in here at this level. I mean, look at this. This is a quad top on the 30-minute. Now, once we came down here again, touched this area, we ran up. We found a bunch of buyers, but I lost money on this one. And then I called out this play right here, folks. I was looking for a breach, a close over that 20, and I kind of thought that it would run up. I didn't know if it would run up as far as it did. I did not take this play in here. I don't know what I was doing. Maybe I didn't feel like my execution was the best, so I left it alone. And that's when it happens for me, is I left it alone, and it's just one of those days. I don't have these days very often where I just don't have the best feel for it. And it seems like early I didn't have a real good feel for it. It ran up, it pulled back, and I thought, okay, so I've got this, I've got VWAP down here. Let's use VWAP as support. This was a nasty, ugly trade right here. It was a winning trade, ultimately a winning trade, but it took forever to get there, and you got all these pullbacks and pull back down to the VWAP, and VWAP, it was just kind of ugly. And I went to lunch in here. So I went to lunch. I was getting back right around in here. And at this point, it was too late for me to get into the trade. Again, nice play back to the upside. So I took the next two up. So I took a double cross to the upside here. And then I took the double cross to the upside right in here. I think I recorded this trade right in here. Back to the upside. I don't think that I recorded this one in here. I was like, okay, well, it's doing this. But again, I've got a loss in a trade and I've got a win in a trade. Overall, a lot of people are going to look at today and go, it was a really, really difficult day to trade. And I think it just depends on your perspective. So if your perspective is, I've gotten beaten up a little bit, took a couple of losses, then I can see how you can think it was a hard day. But if you look at it after the fact, and anytime we look at it after the fact, it's really, really easy to see, obviously. But we have to have the ability to do it in real time. That's what kind of separates us from everybody else out there. It separates the profitable traders from the traders that aren't as profitable or not profitable at all. We have to do it real time. We have to do it real time. But I can see how you could think, okay, it wasn't the easiest of days. I think it became really easy the later on we got in the day. I think it just became really, really super easy. I mean, it's just marching to the upside. You know, you got a rally base, rally base, rally base, push up, push up, push up. Now, this right in here. So this is getting a little bit late in the day. We had about an hour and a half to go in the day. We had a pullback to this level. And I just remember I told the group, and at this time, I was just kind of done for the day unless I got a really, really nice setup late, basically an hour after this setup. A lot of folks thought that this was going to continue pushing down. I never thought I was going to continue pushing down. But again, I'm wrong all the time, so that's okay. I was looking for this. I said, guys, if you're looking for calls, play this 579.11 and see if you can use that as support, and then watch your 9 and take it up to the gap. And it did. I mean, it ran right up to that gap. It was a really, really nice play back to the gap. So all of your crosses, with the exception of maybe a couple today, particularly once it got really running, they were really, really good. And as 920 traders, that's what we do, folks. We use the 9 and the 20 to generate those buy in, those sell signals. When you do that off of major levels, you're increasing the likelihood or the probability that you're actually going to make money on the trade. And that's what we like to do. But there it is in a nutshell. Enjoy these two, excuse me, the two videos. They're not very long, so you don't have to sit through a lot. But you do see that first one. One of these trades right in here, a losing trade right in here, I do believe, right in here. And again, I thought we were going to push to the upside right in here. It didn't. And again, it turned into a losing trade. Again, we stack them up at the end, folks. We stack them up at the end, whether that's at the end of the day, the week, the month, or the year. Just execute according to your trading plan. And again, I just thought my execution was just a little bit off, particularly early today for whatever reason. Picked it back up late in the day. But there it is, folks. Again, enjoy the rest of the videos. Now, if you like our videos, please go ahead and give us a like and a subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notifications. That way you can be notified when we drop new content, which is just about every day. And on the weekends, we're going to do where it's going to go in conjunction with the trading newsletter. So check out the trading newsletter. Also, leave us a comment. We always appreciate the comments. So leave us a comment and share with your friends, neighbors, family, trading community, everybody that you can think of, folks. Please share. Now, if you are interested in live daily trading, where we go over these plays all day long, every day, folks, head on over to our live trading Discord. It's called Trading Decoded. The link for that is down below. We are so convinced that you will get a lot out of this, and you will see a lot of value in this. We're going to give you that first week for free. Nope, who does that? Who gives you that trial period, folks? It's that first week. Generally, it's, well, just pay your money, and, if you like it, great. If you don't, too bad. First week is free. Again, check it out. Where we go over all these setups all day long, call out these trades all day long. Now, if you're interested in the 920 crossover strategy, head on over to 920trading.com. The entire strategy is there for the world to see. You don't need to spend thousands of dollars on a super secret strategy, folks. You just don't have to do it. It's all there. It's lined out. It's lined out from A to Z. Anyway, folks, there it is. Enjoy the next couple of videos. They're coming up right when I get off here. But I hope everybody had a great day today. But above all else, I hope you followed your trading plan. So until next time, folks, we're going to do it again tomorrow. We will absolutely do it again tomorrow. But until then, folks, have a great rest of the day. And you guys already know we will see you in the markets. Okay, back at it again. Got the recording going right now, folks. Got the recording going right now. Okay. Looking for a couple different levels. Looking for a fishtail play in here, folks. Looking for a fishtail. So we got the 9, we got the 20. We're going to watch both of those things, folks. We're going to watch both of those things. We got a decision to make here pretty quick, folks. Again, we're going to watch a 9. We're going to watch a 20. If we get in between that, that's called a fishtail play. Fishtail play right in here, folks. Right in here. All right, so there's our fishtail. There is our fishtail. All right, so we got a fishtail. Otherwise, uptrending market so far today, folks, came out of just a little bit better neutral, a little bit better than neutral. Again, looking for the 20. Get over the 20 back to the upside, folks. Over the 20 to the upside. I missed that. I was just trying to get to the right chart. Again, I like that fishtail play there, but again, watch that 20, watch that 20, watch that 20. So this is the next few candles, folks. If we can get a push to the upside and then do that kind of that same thing where we take out that pre-market high again, potential to push it up. Now, again, in other news, water is wet. But if we fail to get another cross to the upside, then we got a whole bunch of move back to the downside. Again, watch this move back to the upside. Watch it over the 20. Watch it over the 20. Again, if you're looking for calls, you get a close above the 20. All right, there's your calls right there above the 20, folks. We're above the 9. We're above the 20. Let's make this thing, see if we can go up here. And again, where's your close? Where's your close? So we got 1761. You got about a 45-cent candle there, folks. 45-cent candle. Again, see if we can make this thing push. And again, we're above the 9. We're above the 20. 5 minute. I'm looking at the 5 minute right here, folks. See if we can push up to at least about 88 up here, folks. Looking at 88 up here. Again, we got the 9 as support, the 20 as support. And again, whatever you're doing, folks, just trust what you're seeing on the chart. Trust what you're seeing on the chart. 15. I'm looking at the 15. I'm looking at the 5. And back to the heart attack candles. Back to the heart attack candles again, trying to get a close up above 59. Yes, we're right above a pivot point right here, folks. We got a S1. I believe that is S1. It is indeed. Yes, S1 right here at 38. S1 at 38, folks. So we're going to use that as support. We're going to hang on to this thing and see if we can keep on pushing. There we go. And again, looking for 23 up here, folks. Looking for 23. There we go. Again, just a little pull back. Did not go back to that 9. So we're going to push it up. And again, we're looking for 23 up here, folks. And again, same thing as earlier. If we can get above 23, up here, folks, then we're going to look for that 57 again. So Heinz 57. And again, there it is. Again, back to that 1 minute heart attack. Again, we're looking for 23 up here, folks. Looking for 23. Again, we got that fishtail, which I missed, and I took that close over the 20. Close over the 20. And again, we're above this 38, above this 38. Got that nice little push up to what, 94 or so. A little push. Again, let's see if we can get another little push. Again, I'm looking at a couple of different screens here, folks. I got the 1 minute right here, looking at the one on my right hand. Again, in calls off of the 20. In calls off of the 20, up above that level, up above that level. This is a continuation play for me. And again, we're going to be looking for 23 up here if we can get it. Again, 5 minute looks like that. 5 minute looks like that. Oh, we got right up to that double top of that 89. Rejected out of that 89. Rejected out of 89. So again, we're going to watch this level. And again, watch 38 right in here, folks. See if we can get stay above 38. That's where our safety is, at least in the short term, folks. Safety is right here in the short term. Don't know about the long term. But again, in the short term, and again, 5 minute looks like that. 5 minute looks like that. So we got to recapture the 9 back to the upside. And again, you're going to watch your levels and watch this level. Watch 38. This thing could push down. Again, watch your 9, folks. Again, watch your 20, watch your 9. See if we can get a push. Come on, baby. Again, it would, if we recapture this 9 back to the downside, folks, recapture this 9 back to the downside. Watch it back to the downside. Watch it back to the downside. So again, we're going to watch 97. Oh, we got a little gap. So we got a double bottom on the 5 down here at 91, folks. Double bottom on the 5 at 91. Yeah, that's a big old shaker outer right here, folks. Big old shaker outer. Again, that is a continuation candle back to the downside on that last stick. We're going to watch 576.91, 576.91. Again, 5-minute double bottom. See if we can push it up just a smidge more, just a smidge more. I don't know if we're going to do it or not, folks. Doesn't look like it. Again, watch this breach to the downside. Watch the breach to the downside. Again, it's continuation candle. Continuation. That's coming down, folks. Coming down. Again, watch a VWAP right in here, folks. Watch VWAP. All right, so we are going to keep on watching this right in here, folks. Watch this one right in here. Watch this candle. Watch. You got your 9, you got your 20. We got knocked down by the 20. We got about a couple of seconds to figure this out right here, folks. We're going to take it or not, take it or not, take it or not. Uptrending day, uptrending day, uptrending day. Got right above that 20. And again, we're going to watch this area right in here, folks. So again, watch, watch, watch. 579.11, 579.11 right in here, folks. That is the one where we got to stay above that for calls. Above that for calls. And again, here's the 1 minute. Let's see what we got up here. So again, looking at that 30-minute. Yeah, you got some business up here at 70. You got some business at 70. We kind of got through all that thin volume area. Now we're heading towards a little bit of a heavy volume area in here. And again, if you're looking for calls, we need to get above this 20. Once we get above this 20, folks, we should have something. Again, I'm looking for calls. Gosh, it just doesn't want to, doesn't know. All right, here we go. What's up, Primo? I'm doing great, man. I'm doing great. Yeah, I don't know if it wants it or not upstairs, up top. I don't know. I mean, we're getting rejected by that same area. Yeah, I don't know. Again, we got support. We got support right here at 14, 579, 14, 579, 14, and we're trying to breach that back to the downside. So we had a double cross to the upside here just a couple of minutes ago, folks. Double cross to the upside. And now, again, watch 579, 15, 579. Is that right? 579.11. We got 579.11 right here, folks. All right. Again, get past this 20, get past this 20 and make this thing go. Again, you got to curl on the one, folks. Nothing ventured, nothing gained, folks. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. Again, we're going to watch. We've got about 30 seconds to make a decision. At this point, we really need to close over this 36. 36 is kind of a theme today, folks. 579.36, 579.36, 579.36. You got a midline right up here. All right. Now, Again, close up here, close up here, close up here. We got about 10 seconds to figure out if we're going to take this thing or not, folks. Again, where are you stopping out? That is the question. Where are you getting out if this thing goes against you? Again, we're looking for 36. Close over 36, folks. Watch your skinny stick. We're going to take this one and then watch your skinny stick right up here. Take it, and go. Take it and go, folks. Make this thing go. So we're above. We got above. We got above. We got above. Again, we're trying to see if we can push it on up, just like them old Jeffersons. Come on, baby. All right, all right. There we go. And again, well, I'm still looking for this gap up here, folks. Looking for the gap. Free to move about the country. I'm looking for about 80 up here, folks. Looking for 80. It's another 24.5 cents. Come on, baby. Again, we got a double cross here just a few minutes ago. And now, again, folks, we're trying to take this up, trying to take it up. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Again, trying to get a close. Once we get a close over this 75, folks, get a close over the 75. I'm looking for 580.51, 580.51. Let's make this thing go some more. Come on. There we go. Finally. Man, goodness. Yeah. I told you to close $140. Man, it happens, Mr. V. We take the wins, we take the losses, we stack them up. All right. Let's go get that. We got a gap up here, folks. 580.52, 580.52. Again, watch 07. Oh, we got right to 07. We got right to 07, folks. Right to 07. Beautimus. Butissimus dorsi right there, folks. Look at that. Butissimus dorsi. And again, we got right to, we got that, you got a heavy volume area right in here at 0708. So yeah, right to it. Primo, I'm going to disagree with you. Say most of today's been kind of chopped. There have been some choppy areas, but I think we've had some really, really nice setups today. I've been on the losing side more than on the winning side today, no question about that. But I think we've had some really, really nice setups. Had some areas of chop, definitely had some areas of chop. But I think once, one chop, basically just a couple areas of chop today, folks. Not too much. Like a channel, kind of an upward channel, upward moving channel. Again, look at your 5 minute. 5 minute tells the story. It's right there. All right, finally.